हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन एंड सेफ इन योर होम्स. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kiran and I am your computer teacher. In your today's video class, I am going to continue lesson 1 with you. In your previous video class, the topic I was taking was low level languages. मैं आपको आपकी पिछली वीडियो क्लास में क्या करवा रही थी? I was taking low level languages. I had already told you that what is a low level languages in your previous video class, but I am again telling you that your low level language is a part of a programming language. आपकी जो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज होती है, लो लेवल लैंग्वेज आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का ही एक पार्ट होता है. नाउ योर लो लेवल लैंग्वेज इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. आपकी जो लो लेवल लैंग्वेजेस है वो आपके आगे 2 पार्ट्स में भी डिवाइडेड होती है, एंड दैट इज योर फर्स्ट जनरेशन and second is your second generation. So here I have written your low level language is divided into 2 parts, that is your first generation and your second generation. Now we will see that what is first generation and what is second generation. In this video class I am reading for you, so you have to listen the video attentively. Machine code or assembly language is called a low level programming language. These languages convert to machine code without having to employ the use of a compiler or interpreter. So your machine code is your first generation and your assembly language is your second generation. So here you can see that your first generation is your machine code and your second generation is your assembly language. So these are the 2 parts of your low level languages. Now we are going to see that what is machine code. अब हम देखेंगे कि machine code क्या होता है. So again come to your page number 6. Machine code. This is the language a computer can process directly. जो आपका machine code होता है ये आपकी एक language होती है जो कंप्यूटर उसको डायरेक्टली प्रोसेस कर लेता है without the help of any compiler or a translator. This is usually in the form of binary numbers. So your machine code is in the form of binary numbers. So class 6 your जो आपका machine code होता है वो आपके किस फॉर्म में होता है? It is in the binary numbers. And what are binary numbers in computer? Binary numbers in computer is 0 and 1. So this 0 and 1 are your binary numbers and your computer only understand your 0 and 1. आपका जो कंप्यूटर होता है इट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड 0 and 1. आप जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस कंप्यूटर को देते हो इट चेंजेस इनटू 0 and 1 एंड कंप्यूटर देन प्रोसेस इट. सो दिस इज योर बाइनरी नंबर्स 0 and 1, and 0 and 1 is the language which computer understands. So your machine code is in the form of 0 and 1. However, when coding, programmers usually code information in readable formats like decimal, which is then translated into machine code using a loader. So, your machine code is in the binary numbers. It requires a lot of attention to detail to code and hence is not used by current programmers. It is extremely tough to modify, requires referencing many numeric codes in order to write a simple task. So you can say that your machine code is a very tough code. आप क्या बोल सकते हो कि जो आपका मशीन कोड होता है आपका बहुत ज़्यादा टफ कोड होता है. इट कैन नॉट बी ब्रेक इजीली. वो इजीली ब्रेक नहीं हो सकता. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज रिटर्न इन द लैंग्वेज 0 and 1. वो आपका बाइनरी नंबर्स में लिखा होता है. द लैंग्वेज इज रिटर्न इन द कोड्स ऑफ 0 and 1. दैट इज वाई इट इज अ वेरी टफ कोड. वो इजीली ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. नोबडी कैन अंडरस्टैंड that what is written in the machine code. So this is your low level language and it is first generation and it is your machine code. Now come to the second one, that is your assembly language. So this is your assembly language and it is your second generation low level language and this your assembly language is much higher than your first generation language. तो ये आपकी जो assembly language है it is your second generation low level language and this is your symbolic code. इसमें आपका क्या होता है? In this it is a symbolic code. So let's read. Second generation languages are one step higher than the machine code. Assemblers do not have syntax and are just a mapping of readable symbols, symbolic addresses. One machine code corresponds to one line of assembler code. So here your assembly language is basically your symbolic code. Means your assembler reads the symbolic code. Now your assembly language is changed into machine code. आपकी कोई भी language होती है it needs to be changed into the machine code because computer only reads the machine code and your machine code is written in 0 and 1. तो अगर आपकी कोई भी language है it is high level language or any other language it needs to be translated into machine code. उसको machine code में convert करना ज़रूरी होता है. So your assembly language is translated into machine code with the help of assembler. So this is your assembler and what is assembler? Class 6. Your assembler is your one kind of a translator. आपका जो assembler होता है वो एक type का translator होता है. So what is your assembler? Your assembler is your translator. What is your assembler? Assembler is your translator. And why do we need this assembler in assembly language? Because this assembler changes the assembly language into machine codes. I am making here a small diagram. Suppose this is your assembler and If you have written anything in assembly language, अगर आपने कंप्यूटर में कोई प्रोग्राम असेंबली लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है तो वो आपका क्या बन जाता है? इट बिकम्स योर सोर्स कोड. So suppose this is your program which you have written in assembly language and it is your source code. Now with the help of this assembler, it will change or convert it into machine code. So the arrow goes like this. First, the source code goes into the assembler and then this assembler changes the source code or whatever the program you have written in the computer, it will change into the machine code. So this was your assembly language and your assembler. So in your today's video class, I have told you about the two types of low level languages. I hope you have understood. So this was all for your today's video class. Thank you class. Have a nice day.